Hello, my name is Ian Piper and I'm Director of ICUIT.co.uk and a Senior Consultant with the See One, Do One, Teach One web service. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the services available. As the name suggests, the See One, Do One, Teach One resource is a one-to-one tutorial service to help you speed up the process of learning how to manipulate your data into a format suitable for analysis and presentation. I've worked with busy clinicians, scientists, and business people all my working life, and I know that frequently one is asked to audit or summarize data for a meeting or a conference, often at the last minute, with little time to prepare. If all you do is analyze data as part of your day job, then you won't need this service. But if you are like most of us, who have to wear many hats as part of our job, we can't always have the skills we need at our fingertips for every urgent analysis task looming. Of course, you can always just Google it to find out how to solve the problem. Unfortunately, there's never a YouTube video out there that does exactly what you need, and it can take hours, if not days sometimes, to put together the know-how to get the job done or to drag you back up the appropriate learning curve. So this low-cost service puts you in touch with an experienced data scientist who can help you solve your data presentation analysis problem with just 1 or 2 hour-long tutorial sessions and save you hours of heading down the wrong alleys or relearning forgotten approaches. Just press on the Learn More button to find out how this service can save you time and how the process works. You can also book a free hour-long consultation from this page as well. All tutorial sessions on data wrangling and data analysis use the R data analysis environment. If you've never used the R system before, don't panic. It is one of the most powerful open source and free analysis environments available. And with the help of companion products like RStudio, R is quick to learn and efficient to use. There are 2 companion website services which you may also find useful and are accessible from the main site. These are the Video Repo service and the MyCode service. The Video Repo service is a video repository of online tutorial sessions recorded to solve specific problems. Once you've registered and logged into this companion site, you'll have full access to all the current and future teaching material. The final service is called MyCode. If you're like me and don't have a memory like an elephant, it can be both frustrating and a waste of time to try to remember snippets of code that you used in previous analyses. But can you remember the name of the function or its specific syntax? Unlikely. In fact, I have analysis scripts spread all over my computer in different project folders, sometimes with less than memorable names or file locations. So the MyCode service lets you organize your analysis code by uploading scripts, letting you tag specific code sequences, and then provides a standardized approach to quickly finding those sequences so that you can quickly cut and paste them into your projects. To register for any of these services, click on the Register button. And don't forget to tell us a little bit about yourself and your interests and reasons for wanting to register with our web service by filling that out into the background section. This will help us to tailor our approach to you. And finally, if you want to know more before you use this service, feel free to email us at any time at our email address at codesupport@brainit.org.uk. Thank you.